Well, good morning. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Carla.
I'm Carla.
I'm Daniel.
We are Hoovers on the Move.
Hoovers on the move.
Hoovers on the move. Good afternoon. We are Hoovers on the move. As you may know, I am Daniel.
And I am Carla. Stay tuned. Right after this commercial. Boop.
All right, we're at 9461. That's where we're at. Let's see if Miss Carla's home. There she is.
Well, hello.
Oh, well, let's start off with the little key card and the lights to keep them on. Got that. Oh, and we got a switch.
Turn your lights on. You have a peephole,
Peephole.
so you can keep the eye on people in the...
Oh, I think it's supposed to go the other way. Okay. Yeah. Oh, no. We gotta look down. There we go. I got you now.
Back of the door has all the instructions of where you need to go for your muster. Ours is Limelight Lounge. There will be 3 hooks on the wall right behind the door to hang your robes or whatever you have. Life vests. Technically in the bottom of the long closet. If you need more hangers, all you have to do is ask your room steward and he will bring you more hangers. Hi. I'm doing the commentary here. This particular room, the safe keeps coming open, so we're just gonna lock it up and leave it. That way it'll stay. Oh, maybe he figured it out. I like the whole drawer action. It's kind of cool.
There's the stuff to do your laundry with.
I'll need that.
Well, just 3 drawers, identical. Alrighty.
It'd be good. It's good for 2 people. The space is, but we'll tell you at the end of the week.
Yeah.
So, but we do have a little desk chair type stool thing, and then you have your drawer that has the hair dryer in it. They usually don't work very well for those of us who have long hair and things, but you know, you give it a shot. It has 2 USBs and a 220, and then 2 120 volts, and then 1 230 volt. So
230 watt.
these are all our fun, fun paperworks. Then if you come into the main room, each side of the bed has a little desk table. If you are traveling with a friend, they will separate these beds and put one on each side, and then the little tables come in the middle.
Wow.
That is gorgeous. It's so crazy to see that back there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's your backdrop.
The Italian themed on this ship it's gorgeous. So
It is the zest.
on this side, you do have 2 USBs right here in the wall. There's nothing on the other side, so you and your partner have to put them over here. And then you do have the light switch to turn the lights on and off. So if you're in bed and you decide you do not want to see them anymore, turn them off. Voila.
Wow.
And then if you come over here in your room when you turn your TV on, just to let you know, it does not swivel, but they always have your name on here, and I love that. Kind of gives you that little touch of, But then this is where you put like room service, that kind of stuff. You have a few little, shelves right there that you could possibly use. And here you'll have one of those coolers. It's not a fridge, it's a cooler. Let me stress that. And this one's actually smaller than what you typically get on the Carnival ships. So, but you really don't put much in there. You do get 2 beach towels. Make sure that you, if you use these and take them out of the room, that you bring them back. Because if there are not 2 of these in here when you leave, you will be charged $30. So, then, if you come over here, we got a nice little hook here as well. So you can hang an extra towel or what have you. You'll have your AC unit We always crank ours down all the way low. And then if it's still not low enough, ask your room steward. They'll bring you a fan if they have one. Then you have this gorgeous bathroom. And I cannot get over the sink situation. It is so pretty. I'm in awe. I have lots of pictures that we can share with you guys on the channel, and of some of the other rooms, because this is an inside stateroom, but we got pictures, of some of the balcony rooms and things like that. It does have the clothesline so you can dry your bathing suits. It only has that combo thing of shower gel and shampoo.
So basically, if you prefer something else, then yeah, you might want to bring it.
A lot of the normal Carnival ships, not Italian style, you'll have separate little, if you look at some of our other videos, that's if we ever had a problem, then they would put that on the door to show that it has been evacuated. But if you're in one of the other cabin and the other cruise ships like Carnival Vista, you will have two different vials, and one of them will be shower gel and the other one will be shampoo, and it is specific. But for whatever reason, this one does not do that. So
Get you a little bar soap. Carnival. There you go.
I like all the little touches though. This is definitely nice. The carpet, you know, is very Italian. So
I like that picture behind the bed. That's pretty cool.
It is my favorite, for sure.
Yeah.
So with that being said, guys, why don't you hang out with us? See ya.